Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 381st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. One of my subscribers a while back requested if I make a vegetable lasagna. So that's what I'm going to make. And my friends, this lasagna is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of vegetables and cheese. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this is a great meal to serve for any weeknight. Your family is going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Italian recipes playlist and my previous video, strawberry cheesecake ice cream. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your lasagna pasta, your tomato sauce, and your vegetable sugar, because we're about to cook some vegetable lasagna magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, we're going to start this recipe off by prepping the vegetables. I have 1 red bell pepper, 1 zucchini, 3 carrots, and 1 yellow onion. And we're going to chop them up. Alright my friends, I'm through chopping my vegetables and I put them in the bowl. Now we're ready to cook them. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or you can use olive oil. And we're going to add the vegetables. And give that a stir. And we're going to let these cook for about 8 to 12 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the vegetables look like. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. It's golden brown around the edges. Alright, perfect. To our vegetables, we're going to add in 1 6-ounce bag of baby spinach that I washed. Stir this in. And we're going to let the spinach cook for about 3 minutes until it's wilted. Alright my friends, our vegetables is nice and cooked. Look at those beautiful colors. Alright, so now I remove them from the pot. And I put it in my large bowl. And we're going to let it cool completely. Alright my friends, in my blender, we're going to add in 1 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese. Or you can do it in the food processor. So now we're going to add in the cooked vegetables that we made earlier. Alright my friends, this is what it looked like. Creamy, nice chunky vegetables. Alright, that looks perfect. Now it's time to add in our last cup of ricotta cheese. So that's a total of 2 cups in the entire recipe. And my seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And stir these in until it's well incorporated. And make sure you taste it to see if it needs any more seasoning. All right, my friends, our filling is done. Now we're ready to assemble our lasagna. We're going to bake our lasagna in a 9 times 13-inch long baking dish. And over here, I have 2 cups of pasta sauce. We're going to ladle 1/2 cup of the sauce and spread it. Now we're going to top it with our lasagna pasta. And I'm using the no boiling oven ready lasagna pasta. Now we're going to add the vegetable ricotta cheese mixture and spread that. We're going to top it with more pasta sauce. And now we're going to add the cheese. I'm using an Italian blend, or you can use any cheese of your choice. And this is 2 cups. I'm going to sprinkle some of the cheese. It's going to be so good. So now we're going to repeat the process. Alright, as soon as I get my vegetable lasagna together, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put our vegetable lasagna in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 425-degree oven, and we're going to cover it with some foil, and we're going to let it bake for about 18 minutes. And then after 18 minutes, we're going to rotate the pan, and we're going to let it continue baking for about 12 minutes. It's going to be delicious. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, look at this magnificent vegetable lasagna. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. I just taken it out of the oven. My mouth's watering. Alright. So now for the final step, we're going to add some chopped basil. Give it a little color. And there you have it, my friends. Vegetable lasagna. So now we're going to let the lasagna rest for a few minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, now it's time for the best part. The tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The pasta is perfectly cooked, great balance of flavors, full of vegetable goodness. This vegetable lasagna is out of this world amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum, oh. Vegetable lasagna, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.